in front of me is POCO F4 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, you need to open settings, then find and select additional settings right here. And now click on date and time, so you've got it at the top of the list. And now switch off automatic date and time, and here you can smoothly manage it by yourself. So let's go back in time a bit, and then you can also change time. Tap on OK then, and it is applied. So this is it, this is how you can manage date and time. Obviously, whenever you wish to change also your time zone, just switch off automatic one and then pick the one from the following list. So at first pick region, then time zone if available. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.